Okay, the problem that we're having today is no air. Let's take a look why. I'll let it focus in. See that? Those two right there. Oh, focus. These two burnt together, touch, shorted out. So I'm gonna replace this wire. I'm gonna replace these caps too. They're pretty old. Clean it up a little bit. See if I can just change this to a dual capacitor. Get rid of these two. Okay, I got all that changed out. Switched it over to a dual cap. See, we had a 20 start, 20 microfarad start, and a 4 microfarad run. So I put a 25 plus 5 UF. So I'm sorry, we had a 25 microfarad start. So pull it on. 25. There's the 4. The reason why I changed the contactor, you can see coils are on its way burning out, and then the wires that were burnt, they were arced to the leads on the contactor. So I went here and replaced it. I'm gonna start it up, clean it up a little bit. It had dirt and grass going on inside of it. Clean it up a little. Start it up and see what it do. All right. Ta-da! There you go. AC. All right. See what was happening on the other one? We had 2 wires on the contactor that were burnt and shorting out and touching each other. When I switched it over to AC the other day, it shorted out. Everything went off because I have a little 3 amp safety switch in there. And look at that, dropped my kit. Now I gotta pick everything up. On the inside, we had a run 4 microfarad capacitor, and then we had a start. Why do I want to focus in? Focus in. You can see that. It's 25. So I put in a dual 25 plus 5